Welcome to our safety training video on forklift operation. Forklifts are powerful tools, but if not used properly, they can be dangerous. In this video, we'll cover the essential safety rules you need to follow when operating a forklift. Before you start operating a forklift, make sure you're wearing the proper personal protective equipment. This includes a hard hat, safety glasses, high visibility vest, and steel-toed shoes. These equipments helps protect you from potential hazards in the work area. Before you drive, always check the forklift for any damage. Inspect the brakes, hydraulic lift, horn, and lights to ensure everything is working properly. A well-maintained forklift reduces the risk of accidents. When lifting a load, always ensure it is properly balanced and secure. The load should be as low as possible to the ground when moving. Avoid lifting loads that exceed the forklift's capacity. Uneven or excessive loads can cause the forklift to tip over. Always drive at a safe speed. Slow down when navigating tight spaces or when approaching other workers. Never drive a forklift with an excessive speed, as it can increase the risk of accidents. When parking the forklift, lower the forks to the ground, turn off the engine, and set the parking brake. This ensures that the forklift is safely secured when not in use. Stay safe, and remember, safety always comes first. For more safety training tips, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.